So I have the same topic. The topic name is direct and indirect speech. I have discussed with you the declarative sentence and yesterday the sentences of which sentences? Interrogative sentences. Two types of interrogative, yes, no question and WH questions. I have discussed with you already. And today I am going to discuss with you the two types, the rest of the two types. Okay? Which are they? The first, means first here written on board that imperative sentences and the exclamatory sentences. So what we do with the imperative sentences, let's see. Okay? If in the imperative sentences, if the reporting verb say is given, so we can be changed to that word according to the quoted speech. Okay? If in which we have to change that reporting verb, we can change that reporting verb into request or requested, order or ordered, want, wanted, advise, advised, suggest, suggested, urge, urged, want, warned, beg, begged, remind, reminded, command, commanded, invite, invited, instruct, instructed. If the reporting verb given is present form, so we write the reporting verb into indirect as present form. If the reporting verb given in past form said, so we write the reporting verb in indirect. What? In past form. But first we understand the quoted speech. What the quoted speech is talking about. Okay? So then the next, what we write as conjunction. So see here, the finite verb in the reported speech is made into an infinitive. Made into an infinitive. So imperative sentences doesn't have the subject. Okay, with verb or the other words used as the started in the as a subject. Okay, so what we do, we add to in positive sentence. To in positive sentence. Okay, and no conjunction is used, means infinitive we use. To and given as negative, so we use with the verb to, but before that we use not word. Okay, how? Let's see. I already have written the sentences. Through the sentences we can learn how to change the imperative sentences. Which imperative sentences here given? The direct into indirect. So see the instruction, change the following sentences into indirect speech. I have written the words. Okay, which words? Two positive sentences and one negative. Okay, three positive. Here what given the negative, so use two positive, two negative. See here the first sentence, I said to Sumit. Subject means here given the speaker and the listener, along with what the reporting verb here is given. So what we do, so we understand this sentence first in quoted speech given. Okay, what given? Please pass me the remote. So what? See the word here given, the word please. So what it shows that the person's, what the person do, the person requested that. So what we use as the reporting verb, we use the requested. Why requested? So given here the reporting verb into as past form, so we use reporting verb requested. So subject means here I we cannot change, then said to change into requested. Requested whom? Requested Sumit. Okay, I requested Sumit. Then comma and inverted comma given in the direct speech. So when we change into indirect, comma and inverted comma we removed, and these type of words, okay, helping words when we use in direct speech, we can remove in indirect speech. We removed that word. So after that word, see here given the past word. Past word is used as verb. So what we do, we only add what? To pass. Okay, so use what? This word is used as infinitive. Okay, to pass. So the sentence frame, I requested Sumit to pass here given me. Okay, so what we do, I said to Sumit, please pass me the remote. So this me change according to whom? According to I. Change according to I. So me we cannot change it. What me change into me. Okay, I requested Sumit to pass me the remote. The sentence frame. Okay, so this is how this imperative sentence we frame. So let's see the second. Okay, see here given, complete your homework first, said Rita's sister to her. So see, in inverted comma sentence, okay, quoted speech is given here, the first and then after the listener, then the speaker and listener given. So see, say Rita's sister to her. So what we do, we have first the Rita's sister as what? As the speaker. So we write this first, Rita's sister. Okay, then we have said to and her. So what we write as here, Rita's sister said what? Said complete your homework first. Okay, so Rita's sister, we have said that Rita's sister asked. Okay, asked or ordered. If the older sister, she ordered to her sister. Okay, so Rita's sister asked her. Then what we write? Right after this, we write the speaker. Then write what? The listener. Then reporting verb ask. After that, what we write? Complete your homework first. So this complete is given here as verb. So what we write? We change this verb into infinitive by adding to. So here we write to complete. To complete. To complete your homework first. So your here is given the word your. So your change according to whom? According to this, her. So what here I write? Her homework. Her homework first. Okay, here is a lady, so I write here her homework. Okay, then comes to the third. Susan said to Rama. So here I write the name Susan said to Rama, don't forget to recharge your mobile phone. Okay, so don't forget. Here given, see the forget. So Susan remind that person Rama. Okay, so here said given, so remind the word given right in past form. Susan reminded whom? Rama. After adding what? After, see here already given to recharge your mobile phone same, and you change according to Rama. Then here I write her mobile phone. Okay, to recharge her mobile phone. Okay, Susan reminded Rama to recharge her mobile phone. Or else we can change this sentence. How? Here given don't forget. If we write this don't forget, if we add this forget, what is the sentence frame? Not to forget to recharge your mobile phone. But we write only one infinitive. That is why here I use this recharge as verb and adding this to. Okay, so now comes to the fourth. The doctor said to the patient, you should not eat junk food. Okay, here you talking about the patient, but we do not know the patient. Who is the patient? Whether it is male or female. Okay, so here we write the speaker first, the doctor, and say to. The doctor always gives advice to whom? Advice to his patient. Okay, about his health. So the doctor advised the patient. As I said that the patient, we don't know the patient, who is the patient, male or female. So here use in quoted speech you should. Okay, and then given the not eat junk food. So this is the imperative sentence, not eat junk food. Negative sentence is given. If we see the negative sentence in quoted speech, what we write? We write the negative word first, not. After that, see, the verb is given. Then what we do? We change the verb into infinitive by adding to. So what? Not to eat junk food. Not to eat what? Not to eat junk food. So the sentence runs there like that. The doctor advised the patient not to eat junk food. So this is how we frame the sentences. Which sentences? Imperative sentences. By understanding the quoted speech, what the quoted speech is talking about. Okay. So through the quoted speech, we can understand which verb, which reporting verb we can use. This is the reporting verb: requested, use, order, wanted, advise, suggest, urge, want, beg, remind. We can use also the asked as the reporting verb. So this is how we change the imperative sentence. Then comes to the exclamatory sentences. Which sentences? Exclamatory sentences. In the exclamatory sentences, the verb said can be replaced. This said can be replaced by the reporting verb. Which reporting verb? Such as cry, wish, pray, and so on. Cry, wish, pray, and so on. So here already I have written the word, means the sentence about what? About here. See, example is given. See, Riya said to Ajit, I wish you good luck for the exam. So the subject is given, Riya said to Ajit. So here speaker and listener both are same. Reporting verb given, said to. So what we write? See, in the quoted speech already Riya wish, you wish this Ajit. Okay. So what we write? Riya wished. Wished whom? Ajit. Okay. So I wish means the Riya wishes. Wish what he wished? Good luck for the exam. So this word already I have used as reporting verb. Reporting verb. So what? Only write this. Good luck for the exam. Okay. So this is how we use reporting verbs such as cry, wish, or pray. Okay, according to the given sentences. Then we use the exclamatory words. Which words use as the interjection words? Interjection words. Which interjection words? Such as given here: alas, hooray, oh, bravo. This type of word, when we change from direct into indirect, we cannot use this type of word. Interjection, we cannot use it. Okay, in indirect speech. Here the example is here. The teacher said, bravo, bravo Meena, you have done very well. Bravo Meena, you have done very well. Okay, so this said, already the given the teacher as speaker. So what we use? We use the word exclaimed. Which word we use? Exclaimed. Exclaimed. Okay, exclaimed with. Exclaimed that we use. Okay, if the quoted speech given, according to the quoted speech given, we use the word. Use exclaimed with, we use the word joy, happiness, sad, that type of word we use. But we first understand the quoted speech. Okay, here given the word was bravo. Meena, you have done very well. So the teacher exclaimed. Exclaimed whom? Exclaimed this Meena. Okay, so exclaimed. Then here conjunction used there. Then here already the name given Meena. So Meena, I use the name Meena. You, who is he? Meena. That is why I write the name Meena. Then here given have. So have changed into had done very well. Okay. And the exclamation mark is not used in the indirect speech. Which exclamation mark here already I use? See here in the Meena, in the here already given. Raima said, oh. See the exclamation mark. When we change into indirect, this exclamation mark we cannot write it. Okay. See, Rema said, "Oh, how smart you are." So the answer is Rema exclaimed at. We use this word at. Rema exclaimed at this. How word we use? How smart. How smart you are changed according to Rema. How smart she was. Okay, here I assume the person lady, that is why I write she. Okay, if the assume the person he, then here I write he. And to be form are changed into was. Okay, so this is how we know how to change the imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. I hope you understand about these sentences.